Dive into the world of canines with us, where we spotlight the most dangerous dog breed globally. Brace yourselves, it's not what you'd expect. The title holder is the Dachshund. Surprised? Despite their small size, these feisty creatures are known for their aggressive nature, originally bred for hunting badgers. They're not inherently malevolent, but require careful training and socialization from a young age. Remember, it's not about the breed, but how they're raised. Responsible pet ownership is key to a happy and safe pooch. Join us next time as we debunk more dog myths right here. Stay curious, stay informed.